You know what's weird? We spend years learning algebra, history, and how mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but nobody teaches us the one skill we use every single day: talking to strangers. And here's the kicker: most people think they're just bad at it. Spoiler alert, you're not. You've just been doing it wrong. Small talk feels like torture because we treat it like a test. We panic about what to say, how to sound interesting, whether we're being awkward. But here's the truth bomb: small talk isn't about you. It's not about being witty, charming, or having the perfect opening line. It's about making the other person feel like a human, not an NPC waiting for dialogue options. And there's one stupidly simple technique that does exactly that. The whole thing takes about 3 seconds. It's called active observation. No, it's not some complicated psychology term. It's literally just noticing stuff and saying it out loud. Their shirt, their coffee order, the fact they keep checking their phone like they're expecting bad news. You notice something real, make a comment, not a question, and let them decide if they want to engage. That's it. No pressure, no performance, just observation. Here's why this is genius. First, people are starving to feel seen. Not in a cringe, you're so deep way, just in a, hey, you exist, and I noticed way. It's basic human psychology. Second, it's disarming. You're not interrogating them with, so, what do you do? Or where are you from? You're just tossing a conversational ball and seeing if they catch it. Let me give you an example.
You're at a coffee shop. Someone's holding a beat-up book. The wrong way to handle this is asking, "What are you reading?" That's pressure. Now they have to explain the whole plot. The right way is to just observe. "That book looks like it's been through a war." Boom, you've opened the door without forcing them through it. Maybe they laugh, maybe they tell you how terrible it is. Either way, a conversation is started. All right, let's get tactical. Here's how you actually use this. Step 1, notice details. Put your phone down, look around. What are people wearing, doing? Are they fidgeting, scrolling? These tiny things tell you everything. Step 2, turn those observations into comments, not questions. Someone's wearing a bright yellow jacket? That's a bold choice. I respect it. See some questionable party food? Is that the chicken? Looks like it fought back. The guy's wearing a tie with rubber ducks on it? Okay, I need to know the story behind those ducks. See, you're not trying to be clever. You're just noticing. And step 3, this one's important. Get comfortable with silence. Not every comment will spark a conversation, and that is totally fine.
You're giving people the option to engage, not forcing it. Here's the secret mindset shift most people miss. You don't have to be interesting. You just have to be interested. When was the last time someone genuinely noticed something specific about you? Probably not recently. Everyone's too stuck in their own head. So when you do it, it's like a glitch in the matrix. People pay attention because they're not used to it. And the best part? Once you start doing this, small talk stops feeling like a chore. It becomes a game. You start enjoying it. You stop worrying about what to say because you realize it doesn't matter. What matters is showing up, paying attention, and making people feel seen. So here's your challenge. Next time you're in line, at a party, or stuck in an awkward elevator, notice one thing about the person next to you: their shoes, their drink, the way they're standing. Make a comment and just see what happens. Worst case, they don't respond and you move on with your life. Best case, you just made a real connection. Small talk isn't about being the most interesting person in the room. It's about being present. And once you master that, everything changes. Now go out there and actually talk to someone. You've got this.